Hey, Colonel, I'm going to show you how to post some code into your Excel so that you can extract the names of all your tabs into one cell so it'll list it out for you. Nice and easy. There's a couple things you have to do first. One, you have to have developer open on your menu in order to get to your VBA. Um, that's the first thing. Let's do that. You go to File. If you don't see it, Options, Customize Ribbon. Under Customize Ribbon, main tabs, you want to make sure that developer here is checked. Okay? Like I'm expecting you to go, yeah, okay. As soon as you click OK, developer is going to be showing up here. First thing you need to do, and it's going to sound stupid, but you need to record a macro first. Just leave this where it is, but where it says store macro in, you want it to be in Excel every time you open it. You want this piece of code in there. You don't want it just in this workbook because you want it to be able to run this code the next time you open a new file. This is important, okay? Not this workbook, in your personal macro workbook. This is where you want to store this macro. Just click OK. It's recording right now. Just do something stupid. Go here, hit the number 1 and hit enter and hit stop recording. And you'll see where this comes in a second. Now, I gave you an email. I sent you, and it has this code in it. I want you to copy it. Okay? Just the way it is, from sub to end sub. Copy it. And then you're going to go over to your developer menu, under code, click Visual Basic. Now, you'll see on the left here, okay, VBA project book 1. That is the file you have open. Down below this is personal XLSB. That's why you just recorded a macro, because where that macro is sitting is right in this module here. Macro 1. Remember I said just click on the cell and type 1? Well, here's where I put it. That means no matter what Excel file I open, this macro is going to be there. Now, I really don't give a shit about this, so I'm just going to delete it. What I'm going to do is paste in this code that I just sent you called list sheet names. Okay? Click save and close out. Nice and easy, right? No problem. Now, the second thing you're going to do, you're going to create a new sheet. You're going to move that sheet all the way to the beginning. This is important. I'm going to call this tab name. Nice. Now we want to run that macro that that you just created. The easiest way to do that is to just create a button, or you could run it. Let's go into design mode, insert a button. Let's just put a nice little happy button right here. And I'm going to attach a macro to it, which is the one that I just gave you. Click OK. Click off of design mode. Now, put your thing here, you fucker, wherever you want the list to start, and click that button. And you'll see a list of all the names of your tabs. Now, the next time you open a file, you're going to have to run this thing here. Or you can click on macros and you could just run it. That's an easier way. Actually, just do that. Fuck this button. All right. Just delete this thing. Fuck it. All right. Delete this fucker. Come here. There you fuck. God damn it. Fuck. There. Damn it. All right. And you can always delete this stuff and start over anytime you want. Just make sure you put a new tab in, highlight a cell, hit macros, run this fucker. Run. There you go. All right. Nice and simple. Easy squeezy. If you have any trouble, give me a call. I'm sure I'll hear from you in like 5 minutes. Bye. I love you.